So now we will study issue of debentures for consideration other than cash. As told here, just like shares, debentures can also be issued for consideration other than cash. When company purchase some asset, that is machinery or furniture, etc., and makes payment to the vendor not in cash but issuing debenture, instead of paying cash, we will issue debentures to them in this point. Okay, or if the company is purchasing the business of the other company, they will pay them purchase consideration in the form of issue of debentures. Okay, so this is the first problem. Y Limited purchased machinery rupees 55,000 from Z Limited. 10% was paid by Y Limited by accepting a bill of exchange in favor of Z Limited. 10% of the price of machinery, that is 55,000, means 5,500 rupees, was paid by accepting a bill of exchange. Means Y Limited accepted a bill drawn by Z Limited for worth rupees 5,500. That is 10% amount of 55,000. Now, after accepting a bill for rupees 5,500, remaining amount will be 49,500. So the balance, means the rupees 49,500, was paid by issue of 9% debentures of rupees 100 each at par, redeemable after 5 years. So Y Limited issued 9% debentures to the company, to Z Limited, amounting to rupees 49,500 at par. So number of debentures will be 49,500 divided by par value rupees 100. So the number of debentures will be 495 debentures. So Y Limited issued 495 debentures, 495 9% debentures to Z Limited at par, that is at rupees 100. Okay, let's pass the journal entries now. So today we are studying issue of debentures for consideration other than cash. We have studied this point in the topic share capital also. The concept is similar. So let's solve 2-3 problems of this concept, and this is the first problem of Y Limited, where we have seen the problem. In the problem, they told us that Y Limited purchased machinery worth rupees 55,000 from Z Limited. We are passing journal entries in the books of Y Limited. So first entry will be of purchase of machinery from Z Limited. Let's pass the first entry. Machinery account debit 55,000 to Z Limited's account. Z Limited's account 55,000. Narration will be being machinery purchased. These problems will be for 3 marks or maximum 4 marks if 2 points were given. This problem will be for only 3 marks. Machinery account debit to Z Limited's account 55,000. Now, they told us that 10% was paid by Y Limited by accepting a bill of exchange in favor of Z Limited. We have studied the topic bill of exchange. Y Limited is accepting a bill, so in favor of Z Limited, so entry will be Z Limited's account debit to bills payable account. Here Y Limited is a drawee, they are accepting bill. So second entry will be of bill, Z Limited's account debit, Z Limited's account debit to bills payable account. Okay, and amount is 10%, that is 10% of this amount, it means 5,500. So narration will be part payment made by accepting a bill of exchange for 10% amount. Okay, this will be the narration. And now the third entry. Third entry will be of the issue of debentures, and they told us that the balance was paid by issue of 9% debentures of rupees 100 each at par, redeemable after 5 years. Means remaining amount out of 55,000, they have accepted a bill of rupees 5,500. So remaining amount will be 49,500. This amount will be paid in the form of debentures, means debentures will be issued to them, that is to Z Limited, worth rupees 49,500. So the entry will be Z Limited's account debit 49,500 to 9% debentures account 49,500. Okay, balance payment made by issue of 9% debentures at par. See here, number of debentures will be 495 because they are issuing 9% debentures at par, and total amount payable is 49,500 divided by at par, means they are issuing the debentures worth rupees 100. So after dividing by rupees 100, number of debentures will be 495. So they are issuing here 495 debentures to that company. Understood? This is the working. मी तुम्हाला वर्किंग दाखवले कारण आपल्याला नंबर ऑफ डिबेंचर्स काढता आले पाहिजेत. ज्यावेळेला नंबर ऑफ डिबेंचर्स काढायचे असतात त्यावेळेला जी प्राईस आहे, जी प्राईस द्यायची आहे त्याला इशू प्राईसने डिवाइड करायचं. इथे ॲट पार सांगितलं म्हणून आपण 100नीच डिवाइड केले. इशू प्राईसने डिवाइड केलं की आपल्याला नंबर ऑफ डिबेंचर्स कळतात. ओके, लेट्स सॉल्व वन मोर प्रॉब्लेम नाव बिकॉज दीज आर व्हेरी इझी प्रॉब्लेम्स. They are for 3 marks only. See this problem. Mohit Limited took over assets of rupees 8,40,000 and liabilities of rupees 80,000 of Ram Limited at an agreed value of rupees 7,20,000. So 7,20,000 is the purchase consideration paid by Mohit Limited to Ram Limited for purchasing their assets and liabilities, means their business. Okay. Mohit Limited paid to Ram Limited by issue of 9% debentures of rupees 100 each at a premium of 20%. So at a premium of 20% means 20% of 100 will be rupees 20. So Mohit Limited is issuing 9% debenture of rupees 100 each at rupees 120 each. 100 plus 20 rupees premium. Okay, pass necessary journal entries to record the above transactions in the books of Mohit Limited. So let's pass journal entries now. See, in this problem only we have to pass 2 entries because first entry will be of taking over assets and liabilities and second entry will be of issue of debentures. So I will do the working note here. See here, in this problem they told us that the agreed value of the business, because Mohit Limited is taking over assets and liabilities of Ram Limited, means Mohit Limited is taking over the business of Ram Limited. So the purchase consideration, that is agreed value, is given in the problem, that is 7,20,000. So purchase consideration is 7,20,000. Okay, now we have to calculate net assets. Net assets will be total of assets minus liabilities taken over. Assets given, amount is given 8,40,000 minus liabilities 80,000. So net assets amount is 7,60,000. But they are paying purchase consideration 7,20,000 only. I told you while solving the problems at the time of issue of shares, that is, if PC is less and net assets amount is more, then the difference between that will be capital reserve. Understood? म्हणजे त्यांनी बिझनेसची किंमत नेट ॲसेट्स ही बिझनेसची किंमत असते 7,60,000 असूनही ते 7,20,000च देत आहेत. सो डिफरन्स विल बी कॅपिटल रिझर्व. जर 7,60,000 किंमत असलेल्या बिझनेसला त्यांनी 8,00,000 रुपये परचेस कन्सेशन दिलं असतं तर त्याचा अर्थ त्यांनी 40,000 रुपीज जास्त दिले असते. देन देअर विल बी गुडविल अकाउंट अँड गुडविल इज ॲसेट. इट शुड बी डेबिटेड इन द एंट्री अँड कॅपिटल रिझर्व अकाउंट विल बी क्रेडिटेड इन द एंट्री. हे आपण आधी शेअर्सच्या वेळेला पण शिकलेलो आहोत. ओके. सो capital reserve is equal to 7,60,000 minus 7,20,000, that is 40,000. Okay. So here while passing the entry, all sundry assets account will be debited here. जर ॲसेट्सची नावं दिलेली असतील तर सगळ्या ॲसेट्सचे अकाउंट डेबिट होतील, सगळ्या लायबिलिटीजचे अकाउंट क्रेडिट होतील. टू राम्स अकाउंट मीन्स राम्स अकाउंट पण क्रेडिट होईल परचेस कन्सिडरेशनच्या अमाऊंटनी आणि कॅपिटल रिझर्व अकाउंट पण क्रेडिट होईल. गुडविल असतं त्यावेळेला सगळ्या ॲसेट्सबरोबर गुडविल अकाउंट पण डेबिट होतो. ओके. ओके. नाव वी हॅव टू कॅल्क्युलेट नंबर ऑफ डिबेंचर्स ऑल्सो. दे टोल्ड अस दॅट राम लिमिटेड, Mohit Limited paid to Ram Limited by issue of 9% debentures of ₹100 each at a premium of ₹20%. Premium of 20%. 20% of ₹100 means 20 rupees. Means 9% debentures were issued at ₹120 each. Okay. So we have to calculate number of debentures here. I will calculate number of debentures here. Number of debentures is equal to, number of debentures will be calculated PC divided by issue price. म्हणजे पेमेंट जे केलेलं आहे ते डिवायडेड बाय इश्यू प्राईस. मगाच्या प्रॉब्लेममध्ये मशिनरी परचेस केली होती, पेमेंट दिलं होतं 49,500. सो डिवायडेड बाय 100 करून आपण नंबर ऑफ डिबेंचर्स काढले होते. इथे बिझनेसचं पेमेंट दिलं आहे ज्याला परचेस कन्सिडरेशन असं म्हणतात. परचेस कन्सिडरेशन आहे 7,20,000. ओके. डिवायडेड बाय इश्यू प्राईस इज 120. आत्ताच आपण बघितलं बिकॉज द डिबेंचर्स आर इश्यूड ॲट प्रीमियम. सो डिव्हिजन विल बी 6,000 debentures. So Mohit Limited issued 6,000 debentures of ₹100 each at ₹120 each as a payment to Ram Limited. This is the meaning of this working note. Okay. So let's pass now the journal entries. First entry, as assets, total assets given 8,40,000, we can call it as sundry assets. So sundry assets account debit 8,40,000 to sundry liabilities account 80,000 to Ram Limited's account. Amount will be of purchase consideration, that is 7,20,000, and to capital reserve account 40,000. And the narration will be assets and liabilities taken over. Okay. This will be the narration. And now second entry, only 2 entries we have to pass for 3 marks. Second entry will be of payment and the debentures were paid at a premium. Okay. So Ram Limited's account debit, total amount paid 7,20,000 to 9% debentures account. Here 6,000 debentures, we have calculated 6,000 debentures into 6,000 debentures into original value, that is ₹100. So amount will be 6 lakhs. To security premium reserve reserve account. Here 6,000 into 20 rupees premium. Understood? So the amount will be 1,20,000. Okay, and the narration will be being 6,000 9% debentures issued at premium. This will be the narration, or you can say issued at 20 rupees premium, or you can say issued at 20% premium, etc. So we have to pass two entries and we have to prepare a working note before solving the problem or after solving the problem. You can draw the journal for two entries and there you can solve the working note. Okay, that's all.